Right, today's video is thanks to someone on the reverse LED bulb change video. He was commenting that he found these for $18, the indicator bulbs. Obviously the story is nowhere near as bad as with the front. Obviously with the front, if you've got like, you're driving around at night, you've got the dip beam and the daytime running lights on, you can barely see the indicators. With the rear, it's nowhere near that bad, but I'm going to upgrade them because can't hurt. And I was meaning to order it for weeks. There's a company in Italy, they're about €30 for the pair, but they don't ship to the UK. So there was someone who found a company, they're like the shipping company. You have to make an account of them, fill out a form, and they sort of order on your behalf, then they ship them to you. And I think it worked out to like near on 40 quid in the end. And then I kept meaning to do it, and luckily I didn't, because this person found this set, a pair for $18, and they were shipped, free shipping as well. So obviously I won't be able to speak on the longevity of them, but this person on commenting on the account said they work. So we're just going to change that today. And even if your bulb has gone in view, you just want to change it back to the halogens, it's going to be the same process. So on the rears, obviously pop the boot. Then all you've got is a 10mm hex head here with the Phillips in the middle. Then we want to sort of try and pull it straight as we can. This plastic here is very thin, so you don't want to sort of try and yank on that. You want to try and get, if you can, sort of just try and grip there, try and give it a wipe down, make sure it's dry so you can get a good grip on it, and then try and pull it square in line with the car. Then the only connection in there, just pull that black tab out with like a flathead screwdriver, anything like that, just prise that off. And that's it. So there's the light unit off the car. It is drizzling today, so I lifted the garage door and reversed under, so hopefully the light is still good enough for you to see. It's nothing complicated anyway. All you got on the back here is the two Phillips at the top and bottom there. Then the bulb is in this part of the housing, so just watch if you are putting in halogen, don't go and dink it on the way in. That's what it's like. You've got your foam gasket around there. When it comes to putting it back in, just make sure you press that back into place and you don't end up like sort of crimping it or folding it. Halogen, if I was putting halogen back in, obviously I'd use gloves. So again, oil on the bulb. And these are the new ones, the LEDs. And then, like I said, make sure the gasket's in. You can't put it in the wrong way. And then pop it back in and we'll give it a test. So we want to try and push it back in the way we took it off, in line with the car. You've got your locating sort of lugs on the back, one here and then these two here, and that is this hole there, that one there, and then this one just beneath the bolt. Just take it back on, take clicks. And just go steady till it finds its seat. and then just your one bolt, hold it back in. So I'll get the car back out so I can get a full view of the back. I'll do a comparison obviously in the day, and then once it's darker I'll do another comparison with hazards on, and then so it should be good. So we're all good, no errors on the dash. There's the before, the standard halogen one. Like I said, nowhere near as bad as the fronts. They, you know, I wouldn't say they absolutely need changing, but it won't hurt. Then there's the new ones. Hopefully that's doing it justice. I'll do another video later in the dark and see if I can get a better video. So here we are in the dark. Obviously that looks ridiculous on screen. It's not that bad. I mean, even the original one is sort of glaring on the screen, but in person it's not as bad as it looks. But like I said, nowhere near as needed as the front ones are, but still massive improvement. And same process obviously if you're changing it for halogen. Yeah, I'm well happy with that. So I'll get the other one on in the morning, and then we're pretty much, I think, all LED on the rear. And like I said, no nothing on the dash, no errors on there, so sorted. So that's that. That's the rear indicators, front indicators, and the side and number plate, and the reverse will change for LED now. So sorted. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.